Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial will discuss about a simple way to go around with SolidWorks. First, click File and press the New, but I pressed already the. Okay, well, let's put it this way. There's a sketch here at the top of the drawing, with this. We are on the sketch mode, so let's put it as, let's say, front plane, where we have to sketch the circle itself. Let's say a circle, then put something like 3.00 in units of inches. Then regenerate the model with the current value, and then press save the current value and exit the dialog box. Exit this one, and then you have to check it out also if your units are in inches, because usually I use inches, but we can still use millimeter or metric system, but I prefer inches or standard. And press OK, and then press another circle. That is, we make another circle that is maybe 1.5 in inches, and then press OK. Press the dialog box close, and then we have to mirror it. So we have to make another line that is the center line, with is, let's say, here up to here, and then press select to remove those lines. Okay, press the smart dimension and make sure from the circle, the middle of the circle, and then to the line, and make it maybe or something like 4 inches. So we press the regenerate and then save the current, stop. And now we are to make a mirror of this two circle at the other end. So press the mirror entity. The entities to mirror is, click this first circle and another circle. So to copy it onto the other side, you need to use the mirror about. The mirror about is this line. When you press it, it will show a preview of a circle, the same as the circle that you made a while ago. So press OK, and you can see now that there's two of them that's identical. Now press picture, and we wanted to extrude it boss base, as I used to extrude the circle to a solid. So we use first the direction one, which is usually use middle plane, and then the dimension or the depth of the circle will be maybe about 8 or 6 as a unit, as in inches, and then press. You can see that its preview goes in a distance of 3 here and 3 here, so it will be 6. In the middle is the circle, where you have the mid plane. This is the mid plane, which is the middle. Okay, and press OK. Don't forget that every time you draw a solid entity, you need always to repress, or regenerate, and then save every time you, so you don't lose any of the drawings when there is a crash of the SolidWorks or something like an error, it will crash sometimes. Now we need to put something like a solid going from the other end, from to the other end of the pipes or small circle. So let's say that's the front, so we can make it's not the front, but I can put a sketch on it, but it's supposed to be the other way around. Maybe the right angle is more better to use it. So we press the right plane and then make a sketch on the right plane and then put it as in front of you as a normal to what you are doing to do the sketching. So let's say we put something like a rectangle with this, draw a rectangle like this, and then put some dimension, let's say 1 inches, and then regenerate the model with the current value, and then press the same current value and exit the dialog box. After that, we can put something like a center line from here to here, and then grab that line, and then press Shift key on your keyboard, and then press the line and then this center one, so it will go in the, you need to put it as a in the midpoint, so it will automatically go into the midpoint. So when every time you move or dimension, it is always on the middle of the X and Y area. So let's say put it as 3 inches as the length of the sketches, and then 1. So close the dialog box. Now you can see that it's the sketches is in the middle of the 2 pipes or conduits, everything, or pipes maybe. And then let's say we make it, let's say it shows that there is a saved document, so we have to save it and press regenerate and save. It went down, and then let's redo it again. Edit the sketch and then go to the normal, to your front view or to the right plane, and then we need to sketch play this one and this one. So we'll check it out. Entities to be play is this one and this one, but I want it more, maybe 0.5, let's see, or 0.25, and one more. Just press both of N. It will have a play on all ends. So you see that is played. So close the dialog box. You see that there is a play on all sides or all corners. Then I wanted to extrude on both ends. Extrude, you use the picture and then extrude both base from here to here. So what should we do? Let's say I wanted to extrude from here and also here, so both of them will be extruded, right? So press the Extrude Boss you see that there is extrude already on one end. I want it to extrude all both, so we use the middle plane, so both of them are extruding from here to here. So let's say to the next, you see that's one of them are going from the other end and automatically attached to the other pipes or conduits or circle. And then other direction, that's the first direction. Now the other direction will be the same, will be next. So it goes through. You can see by the preview that both of them are hitting both circles. So close the dialog box, and shows that it's automatically merged with the pipe. I wanted to make this area to become more nicer to look with this. I need to edit it, the sketch tree. So we need to edit the sketch tree. To edit sketch tree, I just press right click and then sketch tree shows up, and then go to the prompt again, and then I wanted to change all the value of those things of the sketches. So maybe let's say going like this one to this one to this one, and other one is this one to this one. So it's much of different the one I made a while ago. So we can remove, let's put it again, and then I can remove this one just to change the whole thing. Just delete, right click and delete all those that we made a while ago. And even this one, just grab it and then right click and delete it. And even this one will be deleted. Okay. And now we can use to measure or put something like a dimension, and then put another one here. This one is 250 is good, and the other one also same stuff, that is 250. And say 2, that's good enough. Let's check it out if it is good too. Now it's much better. I put it just a tiny thing, but it's more bulky on the middle. Okay. Let's put something like on this top, like a rectangle on the top of the pipe or the circle. Then, so let's press this one at the front, and then to normal to where we sketch, and then let's press the sketch and make a corner rectangular drawing. Then just a small one, and then measure or smart dimension, press the smart dimension, 0.75, it's good. So say 0.75 at inches, regenerate, and then save the current drawing, and then press another one that is the dimension. It's just like it 0.5 at the unit of inches, and then regenerate the model with the current value, and then save the current value and exit the dialog box. And then let's say to make it 1.45 as it shows, and regenerate and press save dialog box. And now you can see that it's all in black lines, which means that it is good to extrude from here to here. So let's use picture, press the picture and then Extrude Boss, which is going the other direction that I want. It needs to be on the other end of this line. So we can put it as up to the surface and then press that one, and you can see that instead of going here, it went to the other end, which is I put up to the surface and then merge result and press OK to remove the dialog box. And now it shows that there is something like a whole solid portion of the top of the pipe. And then I wanted to have another one here, so we can mirror it by using the mirror command. That is this one. Press this command and then it says that mirror face or plane. So let's go to the right plane, so it is in the middle of the drawing or in the middle of the pipes. Now it gives a preview of the rectangular solid showing on the other end. So you just press it. There's a pictures to mirror is, I just press it already. That's the Boss extrude, and the right plane, which is this one. So it shows now, so it's easy, and just press OK to close the dialog box, and it shows already that both of them have the solid rectangular at the top of the solid circle. Now I wanted to change the diameter of this one and this one. So let's say I want this one, so just press the one that is the solid circle, and it will show a Boss extrude. So I just press that one and then right click on the sketch to edit the sketch itself. So I wanted this one, just press it and change it to 2. Let's say larger than the a while ago, that's 1.5. Let's say, and regenerate. And both of them, if I change the circle diameter here, it will change also the mirror circle at the other end. It is automatic because it was a mirror command that's automatically made the other one the diameter that will be the same. And then press the regenerate the model with the current value, and then save the current value and exit the dialog box. And now I wanted to have a jumper on both and on here on this side. So let's say press the jumper, and then I wanted to use a jumper type that is 50 by that is with an angle, and a dimension or length of maybe 0.5 or something like 0.25, the unit of inches, and 45 degree. So the item to jumper is the base itself. Let's say, looks like it's a little bit bigger, so we'll change it to 0.1 only, and then inches, so to make it more nicer to look. And then another base up here on this base, so all of them have a jumper. Let's close the jumper command, and now you can see that is more better and more nicer to look at it. And then I wanted to change the color So let's say the appearance of the whole parts of the drawing, which is the exercise itself. And let's say I like yellow, so it shows a yellow part on all the parts of the drawing, and then press or close the color that I use. Then I want the jumper to have a color also, so press the appearance of the jumper only. So I want only the jumper itself. So when you press the magenta, it will show right automatically uh, the jumper itself to a colored magenta. Or I want it to blue, so or a red, which is more better than I like. So let's say it's a red jumper. Let's. I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, likes and comments, and I appreciate your support to my channel. Have a good day to all. Thank you.